Chemical and Engineering News is a weekly magazine published by the American Chemical Society, providing professional and technical information in the fields of chemistry and chemical engineering. This magazine includes information on recent news and research in these fields, career and employment information, business and industry news, government and policy news, funding in these fields, and special reports. This magazine is included in the cost of national membership with the American Chemical Society. In addition, the front part of this magazine is available online for free for anyone to view, but a subscription is required to see the rest of the magazine. There are special online-only features, as well as full versions of past issues that can be searched. History. The Chemical and Engineering News magazine was founded in 1923, and has been on the Internet since 1998. More than 51 issues are produced per year, containing several hundred articles on important research advances in chemistry. C&EN editors and reporters are based in the United States, Europe, and Asia. The current editor-in-chief is Dr. Bibiana Campos Sajo. Since 1939, C&EN has had an advisory board who provides valuable input to the content and production of the magazine. This diverse and distinguished team is currently composed of 29 men and women who are from academia, government, industry, and non-profit organizations. C&EN collaborated with Washington IT to initiate the first electronic edition of the magazine for its members living outside of North America with the first 2008 issue. This electronic issue is the entire exact copy of the print edition that is delivered over the web to these members. This eliminated the large delivery charge the members had to previously pay. This option was an environmentally friendly one that was also available for all members that are living in North America. So around 12% of members changed their access to the magazine from print to electronic copy membership to AX, and therefore C&EN is yearly. As of 2009, there were over 161,000 members, and an additional 1,333 colleagues joined due to nominations from the current members. Additionally, the online editions of the issues received 12 million page views per year. Even with the increased membership and expansion of online features on C&EN Online, everything written and presented has been thoroughly researched by the staff of C&EN, which consists of over 50 writers and editors. The C&EN journalists make up the world's biggest and most experienced group to cover the chemical industries. Content of magazine. The content covers science and technology, business and industry, government and policy, education, and aspects of employment in the fields of chemistry and chemical engineering. Subsections. The News of the Week section contains up-to-date news in the chemical and chemical engineering fields. Every week, there is always something new featured. The Business section contains articles that deal with specific companies in the chemical and chemical engineering fields, such as product advancements and ongoing projects happening in these fields. The Government and Policy section contains any ties that the chemical and chemical engineering fields of work may have with the government, whether it be in aspects of funding or technology mandating, for example. The Science and Technology section contains information about the applications of the recent developments in the chemical and chemical engineering fields. The Employment section contains news information related to careers in the chemical and chemical engineering fields. There are a variety of articles written for this section at both ends of the spectrum, from preparing for jobs in these fields to the stories of experienced people working in these fields. Advertisements. As a means for fundraising for C&EN, the magazine offers advertising opportunities for interested companies and businesses who want their ad to be seen by over 160,000 members. Advertisements in the magazine include chemical companies promoting instrumental products, and also employers recruiting for jobs at varying education levels in the many different specialties of chemistry, including biochemistry, material science and engineering, pharmaceuticals, and biotechnology. The job postings are in the classified section of C&EN magazine. The product owners and recruiters know about the high reputation that C&EN has, since the rates to publish these ads are of a considerable amount, and that many members will see it. Special issues. The magazine publishes several rankings, including annual lists of the global top 50 chemical producers, the best companies to work or intern for, as well as a facts and figures section for the chemical industry. These rankings are featured throughout the year in the issues and provide valuable information for all types of readers in the chemistry and chemical engineering fields. Sponsored awards. This magazine recognizes national award winners and is published yearly in the issues. Giving these awards is one of the means by which the Society meets its obligation to encourage the advancement of chemistry in all its branches, the promotion of research in chemical science and industry, and the improvement of the qualifications and usefulness of chemists. These awards are chosen from a number of highly qualified chemistry professionals that were nominated by others. Great care is taken to prepare the nominations as well as the selection of the award winners. There have been many award recipients, listed here. Online features. C&EN Online includes several features partially viewed by the public, but with membership is required for full access to the online features. These include the online C&EN Science blog, which contains news, notes, and reflections from the C&EN magazine. This blog is a means of communication between the readers of the magazine and the editors, since the editors of C&EN value the opinions of the readers. Latest news, where at least 2 stories are posted daily. Older issues of the magazine since 1998. Material that is supplementary to the C&EN print articles, such as online links for further explanations of articles. Other special features such as Real Science, Nanofocus, RSS feeds, and blogs.